Hi everyone, I'm just taking you on a trip with me today. I just wanted to get just a little bit of inspiration today, so I thought I would go just kind of wander around a few places, and I am just going to do some errands and thought, hey, why not take my friends with me? So buckle up and we'll just go get started. Okay, so I thought I would take you to Cutie. I talk about it all the time and all the fun little things that I find there and the fun little, especially little crafty things that I love from here. So I thought it was about time I showed you. Okay, so here are some of just a few of the fun things that you can find at the Cutie store. Look at all of this. It's a planner's dream. Look at all of the fun washies. Look at this. How cute is this? All of the fun little Post-its. So many things to see, and we have barely even just come in the door. Okay. Oh, look, there's even little rub-ons. Those seem to be making a comeback. I've seen them around lately. showed you the store, but I didn't show you my favorite. This is Whitney, and she is so sweet. Every time I come in, I feel like I'm just visiting with my friend. So we'll see you again, Whitney. Bye. Okay, so now you've been inside the cutie store, and you've just seen a tiny little sampling of the fun things that they get in, and it's different every time I go. So it's just a lot of fun. I have a lot of fun here, and you just really, you know, it's amazing how much you can spend when you're only spending $1.50. But I was pretty good today. I stayed under $10, and I stayed away from the little pancake things, and because you know I'm trying to watch it a little bit. Anyway, I hope you had fun. Let's go on to the next place. Okay, so excuse my windblown look. So I'm actually at Goodwill. I actually love to look through the textiles to get ideas from like the patterns of the clothes and stuff. So I'll just show you a little of that. And I've got my helper here. Say hi, Benji. We are taking Benji to get his haircut in just a minute. But look at that, that's a pretty pattern. I kind of love boho. Anything boho. Thanks for joining me on my errands, and I hope maybe you saw something that inspired you to do something creative today.